All right, so this is AI making Facebook ads. Okay, so I have this image here that I want it to go and create a structure and an ad campaign structure exactly like this. And I already have information in here about the ad, and it's already kind of made some. But what I want to just show you is, oh, I'm gonna have to recopy that. Oops. Put this in here and hit go. And then what this is going to do, because I've already connected it to my actual ads manager, it has all the proper credentials. It knows the landing page that I'm trying to promote, and it has a general idea of what the offer is and what the ads are and things like that. So now that it's got my token, which is important, and then it's got everything, what it's going to do is actually go over to my ads manager and build all this out. So let's pause this and we'll come back to when it's done. All right, it's still going, but just for the sake of truth, I'll just let it go and just speed it up.
I thought about joining Gym Launch for a long time. I'd actually been following Alex Hormozi.
Let's see. Is it? Oh, there we go. Look at that. 3 CBOs. Nothing in there yet. Still building it out. All right, what's going on? How we looking? Hey, there we go. 3 ad sets. Fantastic. And it even picked who it was targeting once it's done. Cool. No ads yet. Maybe. Hey! There you go. This just grabbed stuff from my Instagram, it looks like. Wow. I mean, a lot of big ad people wouldn't recommend this just because, you should write every ad and things like that. But the fact that it's done it, look at that. It made it all. So that was 30 ads in under 6 minutes. 30 ads in 6 minutes with a proper formatted strategy, all done by AI. You gotta be kidding me. Do you know how long it would take any human to make this amount of ads? I have done this for 15 years. That would take at least 2 hours, maybe an hour, maybe, but not really. It would take way longer than that to launch all these ads. Yes, there can be a lot better with these ads. They could be a lot better. But the fact that you can launch those very quickly and they're actually organized well, and you can see they're not flipped on yet, we'll flip them on. But pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you want this or you want to learn how to do this, head on over to aiinstall.co/meta ads course, and I'll walk you through exactly how I set this up and how you can do this. It's a free course. So go on and check that out. I'll see you over there.